What's going on, everybody? Man, it sure is cold here. We got a bunch of snow, and this rarely happens where I live. We're lucky to get snow, even if it's once. Ooh, I almost slipped. Even if it's once, maybe every 2 years or 3 years or something like that. But it snowed the other night. Man, this road's slippery. It snowed the other night, and we got snow everywhere. And you can see, it's nice, but it's cold. It got down to 8 degrees last night. I just figured I'd come out here and walk around a little bit in the snow and film with my GoPro. I've got some plans to do some videos. I've got one already made up. I'll probably be posting sometime this week or next week. I'm gonna go out and film and do some math problems. Like for example, maybe something like measuring the height of a flagpole, using trig. It's gonna do something like that. And maybe finding the distance across a lake or a pond or something like that. I figured that'd be kind of fun, be something different. We got some cars coming down the road, and here's the school. And this is on a Tuesday, and it's supposed to sleet tomorrow. But it's really pretty. This is very unusual for where I live in Louisiana. And it's really nice. And yeah, probably what I'll do is, you can see I don't know if you can see in the video those flagpoles standing right there. Thinking about coming over here and we can figure out the height of these flagpoles here. And it's not a very difficult problem to do. Most of you could probably do it right now. We get us something, we'll have to measure the angle up to the top. Measure the angle to the top of the flagpole, and then see how far we are away from it, and we can just use simple trig to calculate that height there. It'd be something different. Instead of just reading the problem out of a book, we can actually just come out here and do it. I think that'll be interesting, and then maybe you can go, wherever you live, go out and measure the height of something. Now here's something pretty neat coming down the road. Looks like a little dune buggy or something coming down the road. But they're having a good time. Yeah, a lot of people out here on four-wheelers and pulling people on sleds and everything. But yeah, it's supposed to I think it's gonna get worse tomorrow as far as the roads being iced over, because I think we're supposed to get nothing but sleet. But there you can see the playground. It's covered in snow. I know a lot of you, this is probably see this all the time, but like I said, this is really unusual here. I've been living here all my life, and I don't ever remember it being like this. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna go out in a little bit, and I'm gonna take my drone up and fly it around and do some filming. I'd like to post that on YouTube, maybe let you see that. And I've been thinking about doing some math problems with my drone also. I think I got some that, you know, I got some ideas to do some math problems with it, but I can't post any drone footage on YouTube because, you know, my videos, they're monetized, and in order to do that, I got to have my Part 107 license or Part 107 certificate to be able to post video footage of my drone. But I am studying for it, and I'll be taking that hopefully pretty soon, and I'll be able to share some drone footage on my channel. So, you know, just kind of wanting to do something a little bit different than the videos that I've been doing, you know, just sitting in front of the computer, recording my screen and working problems out. You know, I'm still gonna post that stuff, but I figure, you know, let's throw in some stuff a little bit different also. But, you know, I hope you enjoyed this. And I hope you enjoy the other videos that I'm going to be posting, you know, these types of things where I come out and do some math problems out in the real world. I mean, I'm not gonna come out here and do it today, but, you know, that'd probably be one of them right there, the flagpoles. It's a pretty standard. You see that problem quite a bit in the textbooks. Oh, there went a truck. You see those problems quite a bit, in, you know, in textbooks, measuring the height of a flagpole. You know, you get the angle of elevation and how far you are away from the flagpole. But I figured we'd actually just come out here and do it, you know, do the measurements ourselves and see how accurate we can get. All right, so I hope you enjoyed watching this. And, you know, check out my channel. Give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.